Now, Rajasthan cabinet reshuffle is expected tomorrow. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has called a meeting of the cabinet and the Council of Ministers as the Chief Minister's residence at 5 p.m. today. Rajasthan Congress in charge, Ajay Maken, has been holding a series of meetings with Chief Minister Gehlot since yesterday. Maken has also announced the resignation of 3 Rajasthan ministers: Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasra, Health Minister Raghu Sharma, Revenue Minister Harish Chaudhary, which was accepted by the Chief Minister himself, Ashok Gehlot. After resignation of 3 ministers, 12 ministerial posts are currently vacant in Gehlot cabinet. Apart from Sachin Pilot's camp, BSP MLAs and other independent MLAs are also likely to be given ministerial berths in Gehlot's cabinet.
आपने सोनिया गांधी से इच्छा जताई कि हम संगठन में काम करना चाहते हैं। आप क्या
इच्छा नहीं जताई, बल्कि हमने इस्तीफा दे दिया है कि हम संगठन की जिम्मेदारी है, बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है। मेरे जैसे छोटे से कार्यकर्ताओं को माननीय सोनिया गांधी जी ने, राहुल गांधी जी ने प्रदेश अध्यक्ष का दायित्व दे रखा है। तो मैं समझता हूं कि करीब 2 साल के लगभग अब दोबारा चुनाव में रह गए हैं, तो हम सब लोगों को संगठन को मजबूत करना है।
क्या संगठन में काम करना के लिए ज्यादा वक्त चाहिए था, इसलिए मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया, या फिर
हमारी पार्टी का पहले से ही सिद्धांत है एक पद एक व्यक्ति, तो निश्चित तौर से उसकी पालना हम सबको करनी चाहिए। और पार्टी नेतृत्व को हमने जिस दिन हमें ये जिम्मेदारी दी थी उसी दिन हमने कह दिया था, लेकिन चूंकि रिसफल या विस्तार जो भी होना है वो नहीं हुआ था, इसलिए ये सारी चीजें चल रही थी। अब चूंकि रिसफल और जो भी विस्तार होना है, क्या होना है, जो भी हो रहा है, तो हमने कह दिया कि भाई हमारा इस्तीफा स्वीकार करें और हम संगठन में काम करेंगे। राजस्थान में कांग्रेस में कोई खेमा नहीं है, सब एक हैं हम लोग।
हमारे 3 होनहार मंत्री राजस्थान मंत्रिमंडल के, उन्होंने आज श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी को पत्र लिखा है और पत्र लिख करके मंत्री पद छोड़ने की इन्होंने पेशकश करी है और साथ में पार्टी के लिए काम करने के लिए इच्छा व्यक्त करी। और कांग्रेस पार्टी इन लोगों का सम्मान करती है और ऐसे होनहार लोग जो हैं, जो लोग पार्टी के लिए काम करना चाहते हैं, हमें खुशी है।
Dev Ankur Vadhavan joining us live from Jaipur. Dev, the cabinet rejig in Rajasthan finally set to happen. 13 posts vacant, and it seems like there's some tensions between Gehlot and Pilot camp still. Is it going to be fulfilled as per expectations? What do you see on ground?
Well, Nabila, clearly there is a lot of tension within the surface, and that is why there were long discussions that were held by the Rajasthan Congress in charge, Ajay Maken, with Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, that went late into the night. And even today, there are discussions which are happening at the official residence of Rajasthan Chief Minister. Thereafter, it is believed that a cabinet meeting that has been called for 5 p.m. today, at that meeting, Ashok Gehlot can ask for the resignation of all the cabinet ministers, and it is the prerogative of the Chief Minister thereafter how he reconstitutes the cabinet. But what we are given to understand is that by 4 p.m. tomorrow, Rajasthan can have a new cabinet. Sachin Pilot is also believed to be reaching Jaipur anytime soon. He can also have a long discussion with Ajay Maken. He is believed to be adamant on at least 6 of his loyalists to be given the position of the ministership. There are a total of 9 vacancies as far as the Rajasthan cabinet is concerned, and after the resignation of the 3 cabinet ministers, these can go up to 12. But there will be a really hard rope that Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot will have to tread on, because it's not just the Pilot camp that he has to satisfy. It is also the BSP MLAs who left BSP and joined the Congress, and also the independent MLAs who supported the Rajasthan government last year when there was the political turmoil that was on in the desert state. Nabila?
We'll see how that pans out. Dev, thank you very much for joining us with those details. In fact, you could log on to indiatoday.in to find out more on that. You could also download our app for more. Stay tuned, and India Today special coming up next.